Welcome to our channel. Are you experiencing issue with your GE air conditioner? In this video, we will walk you through some common problem and provide step-by-step solution to get your AC up and running smoothly again. Check the power cord and ensure it is properly plugged in. Verify the circuit breaker has not tripped. If the issue persists, try resetting the AC. Check the air filter and clean or replace if necessary. Ensure proper airflow around the AC unit. If the issue persists, consider checking refrigerant level or consulting a professional. Water leakage. Check the condenser drain and ensure it is not clogged. Verify the AC unit is properly installed and level. Check the batteries and replace them if necessary. Ensure the remote is properly paired with the AC unit. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve common issues with your GE air conditioner. If you are still experiencing problem, consider consulting the user manual or contacting a professional for assistance. Thanks for watching.